We all know 2021 wasn't much easier than the year before. For me, it was one of the biggest years ever. Last year, I was just an IT guy working for a startup doing a job, but I was ready to rise. So I forced myself to learn and create even if the result will not be perfect. I decided to change my life even if I fail. So from now on, I'm showing my creativity in my job by showing product presentations, beautiful websites and more. I also started to run again and work out to clear my mind and body. One day I bought a DJI R2S and started to learn how to fly, how to shoot, how to use ND filters and more. I was looking for the way how to edit the drone videos and I found Kolder Creative. But I still could not afford it. And one day before my morning run I tried to change the code on the website and all the videos was there for me without login or pay. Amazing people from Kolder Creative was glad that I let them know and gave me free access so I can start to learn from it for free. Even the 2021 was full of pandemic. I was trying my best to travel many places like Malta, Germany, Austria and Italy. We were sleeping in the car next to the nicest places I have ever seen. We met wonderful animals and people at the places where we slept, eat, and I finally used my drone in the way I wanted to. It was not easy. I crashed my drone to rock at Malta, to hill in Austria, and even to the Thermometer 3 at my home. So even if it's hard and looks impossible, just never stop. Do more mistakes and try. Always try if you want to get something. Learn and craft and leave your legacy on this earth. So 2022, watch out, I'm coming.